Did you know that over 130 million bicycles are manufactured worldwide every year? That's nearly twice the number of cars. Bicycles are not just popular, they're essential. They crisscross our cities, they keep us fit, and they're a green alternative in our battle against climate change. A bicycle's simplicity and efficiency make it a staple in transportation across the globe. With so many bikes being produced, have you ever wondered how they're made? Specifically, how are the frames manufactured? Before the actual manufacturing begins, the first step is designing the bicycle frame. This isn't merely about aesthetics. A bike's performance, safety, and overall riding experience hinge on the blueprint of its frame. The design process is a meticulous blend of physics, engineering, and artistry. It's when the bicycle starts to take shape, in theory. Here, factors such as the intended use of the bike play a crucial role. A mountain bike needs a different blueprint from a road bike, right? Then there's the rider's size. The frame must fit the rider, not the other way around. Bikes are not one size fits all, and the design must reflect this. And let's not forget the material choice. Steel, aluminum, carbon fiber, each material has its own unique characteristics that influence the frame's design. Crafting the perfect blueprint is a delicate dance of balancing functionality, comfort, and style. Once the design is approved, it's time to move on to the next stage. The choice of frame material can significantly affect a bicycle's weight, strength, and cost. Diving right in, let's start with steel. It's a classic choice, known for its durability and flexibility. Next, we have aluminum, lighter than steel and resistant to rust, but it's a bit less forgiving when it comes to absorbing shocks. Then there's titanium, a premium choice, combining the best of both steel and aluminum, lightweight, strong, and corrosion resistant. Last but not least, we have carbon fiber, the choice of professionals. It's extremely light and can be shaped into virtually any design, but it comes with a higher price tag. Now, how are these materials prepared? It starts with cutting the material into the required lengths, followed by shaping processes like bending and welding. This helps the materials take the form of a bicycle frame, ready to be pieced together. After the materials are ready, it's time for the actual frame construction to begin. Scene script. Frame construction is where the magic happens. This is where our bicycle starts to take shape. Our journey begins with cut materials, eagerly waiting to be pieced together into a bicycle frame. Picture a jigsaw puzzle, where each piece has a specific place and purpose. The process of joining these pieces is both an art and a science, requiring precision, skill, and a keen eye for detail. Depending on the material used, different techniques come into play. For steel and titanium frames, welding is the method of choice. Two pieces are joined by heating until molten, then cooling to create a strong, durable bond. It's a bit like baking a cake. You need the right temperature and timing to get the perfect result. Brazing, on the other hand, is used for materials like aluminum that can't withstand the high heat of welding. Here, a filler metal is heated just above its melting point and distributed between the pieces to be joined. Think of it as using glue to stick pieces of paper together, but with metal and heat. And then there's bonding, a technique commonly used for carbon fiber frames. This involves using a strong adhesive to fasten the pieces together. It's a delicate process, like assembling a fragile glass sculpture. Each technique requires its own set of skills and tools, but the end result is always the same: a beautifully crafted bicycle frame, ready to take on the world. Now that the frame is assembled, it's time to give it a flawless finish. Finishing is not just about aesthetics, it's also about protecting the frame and ensuring its longevity. Now that we've crafted our bicycle frame, it's time to give it a final touch: the finishing. The finishing process starts with sanding. Sanding is not just a simple task of smoothing out any rough edges. It's a meticulous process that requires precision. We carefully sand down the frame to make it smooth to touch and to prepare it for the next step. After sanding, we move on to cleaning. Cleaning might seem like a basic step, but it's critical in ensuring that the paint adheres well to the frame. We use a special cleaning solution to remove any remaining dust or debris from the frame. This step ensures that our paint job will be as smooth and flawless as possible. Now the frame is ready for painting. This is where we can really let our creativity shine. We use high-quality paint that's designed to withstand the elements and resist chipping. Whether it's a vibrant red, a cool blue, or a sleek black, the color choice can reflect the rider's personality. But painting doesn't just add color, it also serves as a protective layer against elements like rust. A well-painted frame can withstand the harsh realities of the outdoors, whether it's rain, snow, or the scorching sun. With the finishing complete, our bicycle frame is ready to hit the road or perhaps a mountain trail. So there you have it, the fascinating journey of a bicycle frame from a design on paper to a tangible, rideable object. We started with a blueprint, a detailed plan that outlines the geometry and dimensions of the frame. This is the first step in bringing a bicycle to life, a crucial phase where precision and meticulous attention to detail are paramount. From there, we ventured into the world of material selection and preparation. We learned that the choice of material significantly influences the performance and feel of the bicycle. Whether it's lightweight aluminum, robust steel, or innovative carbon fiber, each material has its unique characteristics that make it suitable for different cycling needs. We then delved into the intricate process of frame construction. We saw how the chosen materials are carefully shaped, cut, and welded together to form the skeleton of the bicycle. It's a process that requires a perfect blend of craftsmanship and technology. And finally, we explored the finishing touches that make each frame a work of art. The sanding, painting, and decals that not only provide a protective layer, but also give the bicycle its distinct look and identity. Next time you hop on your bicycle, remember the meticulous process that went into creating that sturdy frame beneath you. Until next time, keep pedaling.